In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter starting balances in Wave. First, head over to your Wave account. Once there, click on Accounting from the left-hand side of your screen, and then click on Transactions. Next, click on the All Accounts drop-down menu and select the account you want to add a starting balance for. For example, if you've just moved to Wave and don't want to import all past transactions, you can simply add a starting balance instead. To do this, click on Add Transaction at the upper right-hand side of your screen and select Add Deposit. Enter your starting balance amount, and in the description type Starting Balance. For the category, search for and select Owner's Equity. Then click Save. After saving, you'll see a reconciliation toggle appear on the right-hand side of your screen. Enable this toggle. You'll notice the starting balance initially shows as 0. Enter the deposit date for your starting balance, then type the same balance amount into the closing balance field. Click Start Reconciliation, and then reconcile automatically. Once done, your account will show as reconciled, and the starting balance will be recorded correctly. If you go back to your reconciliation history, you'll see that the deposit you added now serves as your starting balance. You can continue adding your future transactions normally, and this balance will remain as your opening point. And that's how you can enter starting balances in Wave.